Hi everybody, welcome back to GetJoyFull. Today I have a special guest, my best friend, Kelsey.
Thanks for having me here, Cela. What are we making today?
We're making strawberry shortcake kebabs with whole wheat pound cake. So first grab your stick out of the jar.
Okay.
And then maybe just take one strawberry. And then you take a piece of pound cake.
Okay.
Stick it on. If you want, you can make sure it's not on the corner because it might fall off. And then you add one more strawberry on and you're done. You need one more ingredient. Chocolate drizzle.
Oh, well, that's way too much.
It's okay. If you want to make these, go to our website for the full recipe.